Hello everybody, this is Mr. Jason. I'm one of the teachers that works over in Miss Bartolome's class next door to Miss Viramontes. When we come back to school, you'll get to meet me in person. From time to time, Miss Viramontes has asked me to do some drawing lessons with you, so today we're going to do our first one. Today we're going to draw a cat. We're going to use simple shapes. We're going to use shapes like circles, a couple of triangles, and some wavy lines. I'm going to begin the drawing. Miss Viramontes is showing you this video. If you need to ask her to pause, please don't hesitate to ask. I don't know the speed at which everybody draws, so if I go too quickly, I don't want anybody to get frustrated. So if you need a break or you need to pause, please let Miss V know. We're going to start with our paper like you would normally get maybe some homework or you would be writing a letter. We call this portrait, where it's taller than it is wide. So we're going to do it in that format, portrait. Near the top of the page up here, we're going to draw a circle. Now I'm hoping that everybody's using a pencil so they can erase if they need to. I'm going to use a marker so it shows up better on camera. Please excuse me if I make a couple mistakes. Are we ready? Again, up near the top, we're going to draw a circle. It does not have to be a perfect circle. Just draw the best that you can. We're having fun, so let's not get too upset if it's not a perfect circle. Like my circle right there looks a little egg-shaped, and that's quite all right. At the top of the circle, we're going to do two triangle-looking shapes. They're a little rounded, but we're going to draw a triangular shape on this side for the cat's ear and one on the other side. Same shape. Inside of these triangles, we're just going to draw a simple curved line. We're going to start at the top of our circle right here and just draw a curved line to the top of the circle. I'm sorry, to the top of the triangle. And we're going to do the same over here. Go to the top of that circle and draw a curved line to the top of that triangular shape. I'm going to pause just a moment to give everybody a chance to get caught up. What we're going to draw next are two more circles inside of this for the cat's eyes. We're going to draw a circle under this ear. And then another one over here under this ear. And I'll pause for a moment. Inside of these circles, we're going to draw a curved line. It's going to go around the inside of this circle. It sounds a little tricky, but I'll show you what I mean. It's pretty easy. Inside of the circle, we're going to draw a curved line. It goes up like that. And we're going to do one in this other circle too. Same thing. We're going to do it twice. Not too hard, right? Between these two eyes, down just a little bit, we're going to draw a small triangle. A small upside down triangle. And I will wait for just a moment. Underneath this small triangle, we're going to draw a wavy line. It almost looks like a lowercase w. The first part of the wavy line starts under this eye and ends at the nose, and then finishes under the other eye. That's the cat's nose and the top part of its mouth. And underneath this wavy line, we're going to draw a U shape. Looks kind of like the letter U. Inside of this U, we're going to draw a curved line down. You got that? We're almost done with our cat's head. We're going to go back up to these two eyes and draw two more circles. One on that side and one on that side. Our cat is looking off at something. And you can color these circles in. It's starting to look like a cat's face. And we need whiskers. We're going to draw three lines. They're just short, straight lines. 1, 2, 3 on that side. 1, 2, 3 on that side. Pretty sharp. Looks like a cat. Our cat needs a body. So we're going to draw a curved line going from the cat's neck up here. We're going to come down. At the very bottom, we're going to curve under like that. So it's a long curved line, like you're drawing a big circle, but then when we get towards the bottom, you're just going to curve it in like that. I'm going to pause for just a moment. When you're ready, you're going to move up just about that much, just a little bit, and draw another curved line that comes up and then comes back down. Looks like a big U shape, or maybe a C. And where you finished here, you're going to draw a curved line, a curved line, and a curved line for the toes. And we're just going to connect these two. We're going to come over from the toes and draw a straight line up all the way to the cat's head. Just like you did the cat's toes here, we're going to do some more. Curved line, curved line, curved line. And we're going to come in a little bit. Up here, you're going to draw a V, like Miss Viramontes, a V right there. Another straight line from the bottom of that V. Now it looks like a really tall Y. And we're going to do some more toes. Curved line, curved line, curved line. Connect that over. And then we're going to draw a line like that. We're almost done with our cat. I think our cat needs a tail. We're going to draw, looks like a really tall S, a curved line. So we're going to go out, come back in, and back out again. And this is a cat's tail. It doesn't have to look just like mine. It can be a straighter line. It can be a curvier line. That's up to you. We're going to draw right above it another line that follows along. And at the top, we're going to connect them. Sometimes cats have collars, so you can draw a curved line right under the head for a collar. If you want to decorate the collar, you can. This isn't mandatory, this is optional. You could add little dots for the collar or anything you want, any design. We're just about done with our drawing. Our cat, right now it looks like it's floating in midair, so we have to put it on the ground. I like to draw grass. It's a lot of fun because I get to draw zigzags. So we're going to draw some zigzag grass. Grass does not have to be perfect either. It goes every which way, so this is fine. We're going to just draw a zigzag. But here's a trick. When you get to the cat, stop. And we're going to pick up over here right above those toes and finish the grass all the way across the page. The grass can go any way you want. Like I promised at the beginning of the drawing, our cat is looking at something. We have to draw what it's looking at, right? So up here in this space, we're going to draw a circle.